my name is Taryn from GRAHL Swimming and Beauty Equipment, and today we're going to be talking about the Zenya Biboting breast and butt lift machine. To my right, you can see we've got the machine as well as a variety of breast and butt cups. At the back of my machine, I have got a power cable plugged in. We have provided you with a power safe plug which can be plugged into a power surge protector plug directly into the wall. We also have a power switch at the back which we are going to always use to switch on to start. Right, when you come around to the front, at the top of the machine you've got your time, your work time. Okay, that can be adjusted using the up and down keys over here. So to increase your time you would press the up button, and to decrease your time you would use the down button. Okay, these two knobs over here are for the suction and release. Okay, to start we are always going to keep the suction and the release time the same. You're always going to start on 0.1. So if you have a look up here at the top, you'll see it says 0.1, okay, and then you'll adjust your release time to 0.1 as well. It is quite sensitive, so you do have to be quite careful with your fingers, okay? When you're ready to stop, you will press the on-off button, okay, and you will see it will start, and that's to stop. This machine comes with quite a few accessories, but to start we're going to just talk about the most important ones. On the side here we have got our power cable, okay, and you'll open it up and you'll see that the one end has two different sockets, okay, you can spread those apart, and on the other end there is a single one that is going to be plugged in on the front of your machine, okay. At the bottom of the machine there is quite a big port there, and that is where we are going to plug in this tube. Okay, when you are doing the butt lift treatment on your client, you will start out by doing a 7-minute massage on each of the legs, starting from the knee and working up towards the buttocks. This is just going to loosen up the fat and bring it up towards that surface. So you can use your thumbs to massage that fat up towards the buttocks area, and that is going to be 7 minutes on each leg, so a total of 14 minutes. Following that, you are going to use the smaller suction cups. For example, you could use these, and you are going to just work once again from the knee up towards the buttocks, allowing for the skin to be sucked into the cup, okay, and working in a upward motion like so. You're going to do this through the middle of the leg, okay, then on the side of the leg going up towards the buttocks, okay, and you're going to do the middle of the leg going up towards the buttocks, and you're going to do that once again for 7 minutes on each leg. And once again what it's going to do is it's going to pull the fat towards the surface of the skin, and it's going to be easier for the next part of the treatment to bring that fat up towards the buttocks to create the butt lift. Okay, so following that you will then of course choose the correct sized cups. These are called health cups, and you'll choose the correct size according to your client's body, okay, and you are going to then start with the bottom of the cup at the crease of the client's buttocks, okay, so you will place it there, you will lift the buttocks, and you will try and position it so that this is upwards on the client's buttocks. That is going to work for 30 minutes in total. So it will be 14 minutes for the massage in the beginning, 14 minutes for the cupping process, and then a full 30 minutes for this part of the treatment. Treatment can be done 3 times a week, so for example on a Monday, Wednesday and Friday, and we recommend doing this treatment for 12 to 18 sessions. And for the clients who don't see results straight away, because you should see the results straight away after each session, but for those clients who don't see results straight away, we recommend doing up to 18 sessions initially. Following that, you will do 1 session per month for about 6 months. The body should then take that shape and it should stay in that form. With your machine, you will be given a bottle of tissue oil, and it is encouraged to use this tissue oil before placing your cups onto the selected body part. So you will ensure that you put lots of tissue oil on your hands, made a nice room temperature or nice warm temperature. You're going to ensure that the body part is covered with tissue oil really nicely, and then you're going to place your health cup onto the body part. And what it's going to do is it's going to allow for some slip, so that both of the cups are positioned equally and in the correct places for the duration of the time, the work time, which is 30 minutes. Okay, and I said earlier that we are going to start on 0.1 for our suction and our release time, but what you can do is throughout the treatment you can check on your clients and see how they're feeling, and if they are feeling comfortable, you can turn the suction and release up to 0.2 on both. You're going to ensure that they are always on the same setting on both, the suction and the release. Please ensure that you are watching the color of your client's skin. The skin will go red and it might start to look slightly blue, but if the skin does go blue, we would either encourage you to stop the treatment or turn the treatment settings down. Now when you are doing the breast lift treatment, once again you are going to apply tissue oil all over the breast, both of the breasts, and then you're going to allow your clients to hold the two health cups in their hands. Okay, you will start the suction, and then you're going to allow the clients to lean forward and allow their breasts to fall comfortably into the health cups. You are then going to assist your client in positioning the cups so that they are equally distanced and they're both sitting upright. Okay, you can then move and manipulate the cups so that the entire breast is being sucked into the cup, and it should come towards the top of the cup. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section below. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram, or check out our website www.grahl.co.za.